One of the smartest ways to maximize your return in real estate is by adding value through renovations and presentation. Simple changes like fresh paint, modern lighting, or updating fittings can completely transform a space. And when it comes to presentation, professional styling, tidy landscaping, and decluttering, these small touches create a big impact on how buyers see your home. Why is it so powerful? Because buyers just don't purchase bricks and mortar. They buy a lifestyle and a feeling. A well-presented home makes it easier for them to imagine themselves living there. And when their emotions are involved, they're often willing to pay more. Even modest investments, a few $1,000s in presentation or minor renovations, can often return many times that in sale. It's about showing your property in its absolute best. Remember, presentation and strategic upgrades aren't just expenses, they're investments. And when done right, they deliver a significant return. There is not many places where you can get these kinds of returns over a short period in any form of investment. I'm PJ Salami and look forward to representing your home.